Do you want to work faster in MS Word? Today I'll explain important MS Word shortcut keys in very simple language. Let's start. Ctrl plus A, select all. Ctrl plus B, bold. Ctrl plus C, copy. Ctrl plus D, default font set. Ctrl plus E, center. Ctrl plus F, find. Ctrl plus G, go to. Ctrl plus H, replace. Ctrl plus I, italic. Ctrl plus J, justify. Ctrl plus K, hyperlink. Ctrl plus L, align text left. Ctrl plus M, hanging indent. Ctrl plus N, new document. Ctrl plus O, open. Ctrl plus P, print. Ctrl plus Q, add space paragraph. Ctrl plus R, align text to right. Ctrl plus S, save. Ctrl plus T, left indent. Ctrl plus U, underlined. Ctrl plus V, paste. Ctrl plus W, close. Ctrl plus X, cut. Ctrl plus Y, repeat redo. Ctrl plus Z, undo. Ctrl plus 1, single space line. Ctrl plus 2, double space line. Ctrl plus 5, 1.5 line space. Ctrl plus close square bracket, increase selected font plus 1. Ctrl plus open square bracket, decrease selected font -1. Ctrl plus equals, apply subscript formatting. Ctrl plus F1, apply subscript formatting. Ctrl plus F3, cut selected content to spike. Ctrl plus F4, close the active window. Ctrl plus greater than, increase font size. Ctrl plus less than, decrease font size. Ctrl plus end, go to page last. These were the most important MS Word shortcut keys. Practice them daily and your work speed will double.